There's only one version of you that's going to change your fucking life, brother. It is you. It's not you right now, it's the next version of you though. The guy that you gotta have to become. The motherfucker that is undeniable, right? The motherfucker that always pulls it off no matter how tough his circumstances are. Because right now, you're probably coasting through life, settling for average results, settling for an average relationship, settling for average money, no investments, no resources, no self-fucking worth, because every time you try to commit to something, you sell yourself so fucking short that it just destroys your confidence, it destroys who you want to be, it destroys that fucking version of you that you claimed that you were capable of becoming. I was speaking to a client this morning at fucking 4 AM. I woke up for this call because he needed it. I'm not going to say him. I'm not going to say who his real name is, right? I'll keep it kind of anonymous for the time being. But understand this. He said he's locked in. He said he's down. He said he's loving the gym more than ever. He said he's making more money than ever. He said he's getting into new ventures. He's performing. He's doing good. But then he went out on the weekend and he drank too much booze. He ate some shit food. He was feeling quite guilty. His frequency tanked. He was in that guilt and shame trap, that cycle that was making him feel like he wasn't showing up as the man he said he would be because he broke a promise with himself. And this is where you guys are going fucking wrong. If you say you're going to get in shape, get in fucking shape. If you say you're going to stick to your diet, stick to your fast, stick to your fucking diet and fast. If you say you're going to do anything in this life, start the business, break up with the fucking bent out of shape, get out your wifing up, move abroad, book that fucking holiday, book that trip, do the fucking action. Because I tell you what, imagine this, right? Imagine this, imagine you walked in to a shop and you got a scratch card and you scratched it, you put it in your pocket, forgot about it, you done the action of someone who is playing the game to win the money, right? And then you get a phone call the next day. You get a phone call the next day and he says, you know what, bro, you've won 200 million fucking pound, but we can't give it to you for the next 30 days. Think about how you would show up. Think about how you would show up knowing the 200 million fucking pound is sitting in your bank. Well, I'll tell you what, brother, that's how you need to assume that you're living life every single day. You need to assume that everything you know you want, you desire, is on its fucking way. Because you're showing up every single day with the frequency, the identity, the habits, beliefs, the thought patterns, everything aligned with the guy that you will fucking become. Because you don't have to have it to be it, you gotta be it to have it. Boom, sling that in your fucking jaw for a second. And it's the God honest truth. This physique that I've got today, this business that I've got today, this life that I've got today, I've been dreaming this shit since I was fucking wee, man. I've got this dog here. Like he's just always making a fucking ruckus. Say hi. Fuck off for a minute while I make this video. I've been dreaming this shit since I was fucking knee high to a tortelloni. I used to sit and watch YouTube when I stayed at home when I was like 16, 17. And like, my mum was like, what are you watching this shit for? What is this? And it was like, these fitness vloggers that were traveling the world like Joe Delaney and Rob Lipsett and stuff like that, and they were making money and they were fucking in great shape. They were just inspiring, man. And I said, I'm going to be like one of them. And I put all of my focus in on it. I got my qualifications. I put my money where my mouth was. I became the busiest PT in my town, my area. I owned my own gym. I worked with some of the biggest online coaching companies in the world. Guys, I went all fucking in and got as much resources, as much exposure, as much fucking proximity to the guys that were doing what I wanted to do in the highest level so I could advance my fucking level of thought, my thinking, my believing, my behaving, and just get fucking into the weeds. Because I knew it was inevitable. The results that I wanted were fucking inevitable. Because I knew it was going to happen, I believed it was going to happen, I assumed the state of the wish fulfilled. Neville Goddard, you might have listened to him before. If not, go check him out. Drop me a DM on Instagram, I'll send you the Power of Awareness audiobook. No kickback, trust me. It's just a good book, I want to send it to as many fucking people as possible. But guys, you gotta be in this fucking mindset where you are unfuckwithable. But you can only do that when you become the man. You build the body, you build the physique, you get strong. Like I've been ballooned up, ballooned down, you know, been in shape, out of shape, I get it. But over the last couple of years, I've been consistently in the best shape of my life, time and time again. My values have changed. I'm not a bodybuilder anymore, just like a lean, aesthetic physique. I don't need a tan, you know that shit. But guys, you gotta build the fucking man before you do anything in this life. Become him, be himothy. Become the fucking savage you've always wanted to be by developing a world-class physique, tapping in your purpose, getting so fucking productive that you collapse time, and performing at the highest physical and psychological level. They're the 4 Ps of the Peak Performance Project, my company. That's exactly what I help guys do. It's simple, but you tap it in the core 4, you tap in the identity. What does success look and feel like? And you live every single fucking day like you're already there. And that is the fucking science to get whatever you want in this life. Is frequency, baby. Your frequency is what you frequently see. When you're on the right frequency, boom, you're getting that shit daily, boys. You're getting that shit daily. So lock the fuck in, stop being a fucking chump. It's time to go. Let's get you winning. Link below in the description if you want to work with me as your coach one-to-one. Let's get you fucking killing it. Destroy average, become undeniable. I will see you in the next one. Boom.